Unlocking the mystery of cleaning the root. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase, cleaning the root. This might sound like it's about cleaning, but in English, phrases often carry meanings beyond their literal interpretation. Let's unravel the mystery together and discover how this phrase is used in different contexts. Cleaning the root is not a common household term but rather a specialized expression found in certain activities. At its core, the phrase involves removing obstacles or hazards from a path or plan. The idea is to make a process smoother or safer for those who follow. Let's break down where you might encounter this phrase. In climbing, in rock climbing or mountaineering, cleaning the root refers to the act of removing all gear, like ropes, carabiners, and other equipment, that was placed by climbers ascending a route. This ensures the path is left in its natural state for the next climbers, promoting safety and environmental conservation. In project planning, in the context of project management or planning, cleaning the root can metaphorically refer to removing any potential obstacles or issues that could hinder the progress of a project. It's about foreseeing challenges and dealing with them beforehand to ensure a smooth execution. In transportation or logistics, this phrase could be used to describe the process of ensuring a delivery or travel route is free of delays or obstacles, such as traffic jams or road construction, to guarantee timely and efficient transit. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it highlights the importance of preparation and foresight in various aspects of life. Whether in physical activities like climbing, professional scenarios like project management, or everyday situations like planning a trip, cleaning the root embodies the proactive steps taken to ensure success and safety. Cleaning the root is more than just a phrase, it's a principle of thorough preparation and consideration for others. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and applications in different contexts. Remember, learning English is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the cultural and contextual richness of the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.